Meet the red-bellied woodpecker. This striking bird, with its vibrant red crown and curious black and white stripes, is a true gem of the forest. Did you know that its name comes from the subtle blush on its belly? You might have to look closely to see it. Watch as it skillfully clings to feeders, cracking open seeds with a persistence that's genuinely impressive. Nature's little engineer at work. So, the next time you hear that rhythmic drumming, take a moment to appreciate the artistry behind it.